What's up guys, I'm Alex and today let's recreate Zack King's golf match. For this effect you need two shots. One where the talent hits the ball towards the camera and the second one with the ball. For the first one, preferably shoot it from a gimbal in such a way that you have smooth movement, and also make sure that the talent sits on the rule of thirds. You can also shoot this from a tripod to make it much more easier in post-production. What you also need is a shot where the ball rolling. Try to film this on a tele lens so that the ball looks bigger, and also try to make it move really slow. Now it's time to launch After Effects. In After Effects, put the two shots on top of each other and duplicate the talent shot. Make a cut where the ball is perfectly visible and the talent doesn't touch the ball, and also the hand of the talent doesn't come in front or behind the ball. From there on, it's time to rotoscope the talent out. Here make sure that the rotoscope is pretty precise, and for this I use the Redefine Edge tool. Then it's time to rotoscope out the ball from the shot with the ball rolling. Position the ball and animate its position so that it falls on the ground and comes towards the talent. If you have shot this on a tripod, this step is pretty easy, but if you have movement in your shot, this will be harder. You need to find a place in those frames where the ball is being thrown, where the ball isn't anymore in the shot. Create a new clip there for a few frames where the ball should disappear and freeze frame it. Then it's time to mask out that part and animate the position in such a way that it looks like an empty shot. This is the hardest part of this effect because you will need to be really careful so that you can see the edges of the mask. Optionally, if this doesn't work, you can also feather the mask a bunch. After this is done, color correct the ball so that it matches with the thrown ball, and also create a black solid. Animate a mask onto that solid so that it looks like a shadow, and don't forget to feather a bunch the mask and also lower its opacity down. And that's it for the effect. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.